loudest because yes, we're going to hand over of the baton from Shri Rajan Bandelkar Saab to Shri Ashok Monani ji. Firstly, maybe request you, sir, to hand over a bouquet of flowers to pass on this wonderful gesture, ladies and gentlemen. And yes, now we hand over the baton of responsibility. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed the most awaited moment of the day. We have the Naredko Maharashtra Change of Guard, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, please put your hands together for Shri Ashok Monani ji. So may we please request you to kindly come up and say a few words. And yes, many, many congratulations, sir.
Thank you, Junaid. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you all for joining us today. Shri Hardeep Singh Puri, Honorable Minister of Housing, Government of India, Dr. Jitendra Award, Honorary Housing Minister, Government of Maharashtra, Shri Ajay Piramal, Chairman, Piramal Group, Dr. Niranjan Hiranani, President Naredko, Rajiv Talwar, Chairman, Praveen Jain, Vice Chairman, Rajan Bandelkar, Vice President Naredko, Satish Magar, President Kradai, Deepak Goradia, President MC Chai, Samir Hingu, President Piata, all state presidents, dignitaries, eminent fellow developers, and my dear friends. At the outset, I would like to congratulate Rajan for his wonderful stint as president for the last 2 years and playing a pivotal role along with the national leadership in bringing about some crucial changes for the fraternity. Under the leadership of Dr. Hiranani and his team, we have been able to achieve mammoth tasks such as reduction in the GST from 12 to 8%, skill development initiative, civil aviation, ULC, defense, Navy, NOCs, and the list goes on. I wish to thank you all for giving me this opportunity to serve this very prestigious organization and my fellow men. I am confident that in the coming time, we will together achieve many crucial and significant milestones. No doubt, the last 7 odd years have been very turbulent, not just for our industry, but also for the economy. And the last 7 months in particular have been really trying times for all of us. Though I cannot say that this has been very dark and bleak, there have been many customer-centric movements and incentives and policy decisions which were taken. Amongst others, the most recent impetus by the government was the reduction in stamp duty. And I'm extremely glad that Naredko members are voluntarily absorbing the entire 2% of stamp duty and passing on the benefit to our customers, our believers. We shall roll out bi-monthly open houses, panel discussions and forums with legal luminaries such as Wadia Gandhi and Company, Haryani and Company, DSK Legal, Anil Harish, Harshad Barbade, and many more to share insights and advice on aspects plaguing our industry. Sir, such panels comprising of well-known architects, town planners, interior designers, members of PIETA will be created such that all our members can benefit from these knowledge sessions. Sir, furthermore, we would like to create a consortium of developers that would facilitate developers from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities to avail last mile funding from banks and NBFCs. I'm a firm believer that we must hold hands and coexist to tide over these tough times. Amongst other achievements was the launch of housingforall.com portal, which has been Rajan's baby. And I take this opportunity to appeal to our members to upload their projects. I also take this opportunity to request my dear channel partners who have been our backbone and supported us right throughout this journey to be part of this portal. We encourage you, friends, to enroll yourselves on this portal and maximize your earning potential. Last but not the least, the mining company will be ably supported by our next gen to be inducted very shortly. We wish them the very best and look forward to a wave of unbridled talent and ideas from our youth icons. Here I would like to share, for the benefit of our next gen, the Kubler-Ross grief cycle, which has 5 stages of grief. The first one is a mode of denial. You generally don't want to accept things. Then we get into anger. Then depression. Then we start negotiating. We bargain. And finally is the acceptance stage. We all developers are really very resilient. We are made that way that we will accept things and move on. I'm sure that we are very capable of overcoming all the challenges that we've been seeing during the past almost 7 years. दोस्तों, अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा, मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। थैंक यू वंस अगेन एवरीबॉडी। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।